Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 4 to the power of 16 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite both of these bases, 4 and 16, as powers of 2. Now 4, this is equal to 2 squared. And 16, this is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So now I'm going to replace these with 4 and 16. So now we have 2 squared to the power of 16 to the power of x. And now this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 16 to the power of x, this is going to equal 2 to the power of 2 times 16 to the power of x. Now this is equal to, same thing over here, 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of x. Now, because both of these bases here are the same, this also means that the exponents here are the same as well, meaning 2 times 16 to the power of x is equal to 4 times 2 to the power of x. Now I'm going to replace 16 again with 2 to the power of 4. So now we get 2 times 2 to the power of 4 times x is just simply 2 to the power of 4x is equal to, and now I'm going to replace 4 with 2 squared. So it's equal to 2 squared times 2 to the power of x. Now, 2 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 1. So now if I multiply these two, well, if we're multiplying exponents, let's say we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 4x is going to equal 2 to the power of 1 plus 4x. And now this is equal to, on our right-hand side, 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 plus x. Now again, because the bases are the same, this also means the exponents are the same. So now we have 1 plus 4x is equal to 2 plus x. Now if we subtract x on both sides, and also subtract 1 on both sides, we get 3x is equal to 1. Now if I divide by 3 on both sides, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now 8, this is the same thing as 4 times 2, right? So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2. And now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, we could write this as a to the power of m to the power of n. Or we could also write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. It doesn't matter the order because they're both being multiplied, and multiplication order doesn't matter. So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 squared to the power of 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this would equal 2 to the power of 2 times 4. However, I am not going to do that. I'm simply going to solve what's in the parentheses. So 2 squared, and that is equal to 4. So now I have 4 to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of a. Now, if we have something in the form x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of y, and this means that x is equal to y as long as x is greater than or equal to 1. So in this case, a is equal to 4.